Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Chippa 0. I'm joined by Gershom and Emmanuel. Tibo.
Sure, Stibos.
Yeah.
Long time no see.
Yes, my brother.
Anyway, I'm back.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Let me talk about today's game.
Again.
It's always so simple to play with Chippa, but today it was so difficult. I don't know what went wrong.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because of the guys miss Mbogazi.
Yes.
But anyway, all the best to Mbogazi if it's really going.
Yeah.
Tabana foot in the next time.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of players there. We can't cry for
One
Mbogazi.
play.
Yeah, we've got a lot of centre backs there. But anyway, 3 points is very much important. The rest is history.
Yeah.
As long as we got 3 points, c'est sharp.
Simnandi.
3 points. So I don't want to waste time.
Yeah.
I just want to give you man of the match.
Yeah.
My man of the match is Dion Hoto.
Yeah.
He played very well, Vandaag. All the best. Keep it up, Hoto. I love you, boy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Emmanuel.
Hola Steve, bafowethu iPirates iyadlala. iPirates siyayiprova lento ukuthi we have got the best supporters. Si understand ibhola and that's why i-stadium sigcwala. iPirates idlala ibhola nase Spain nase Morocco. Bafowethu thina ibhola siyalitapeta, siyagibela, siyayehla, siyakora. Any player ingena ku-Pirates we support, siyabasupporta amajita and bashaya isibhamu. Any team sihlangana nayo siyayinyathela, siye phambili thina. Siye phambili, asabi noma ubani udlala e-Afrika udlala kuphi, woza sokunyathela, sizokunyathela.
I'm pleading with the coach to give Unsung Hero Kabelo Dlamini a chance. Please. I'm pleading with the coach. He must give Kabelo Dlamini a chance. Unsung Hero. Please. Yes. That's what I can only say. That's man. That's what
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?